So you're going to a holiday party or hosting one, and you need to make something great that everyone will love. Whether you're new to cooking or a certified expert in the kitchen, this scalloped potatoes recipe is sure to fit the bill. Our spin on this classic takes an unexpected turn with the cheese we choose and uses Yukon Gold potatoes instead of the usual russets. It's a winner. Let's get cooking. Let's first get our mise en place ready. That's fancy French for all your prep work. Since this dish comes together super fast, the lengthiest part of this recipe is prepping the potatoes. We're using peeled Yukon Gold or yellow potatoes, sliced to about 1/8 to 1/4 inch. Set those aside and finely dice a medium yellow onion. White is also fine, but won't be as sweet. Next up are about 1 tablespoon of minced fresh thyme leaves. After those are set aside, press 2 medium cloves of garlic through a garlic press. And finally, shred 4 ounces each of Fontina and Monterey Jack cheese. Gather the next ingredients: 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 2 to 4 bay leaves, I use 4 small ones in this example, 1 cup of heavy cream, 1 cup of chicken stock, check out our website for the recipe, 1 1/4 teaspoons of table salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees, and we're ready to cook. Melt the butter in a large Dutch oven or small stock pot over medium-high heat until foaming subsides. Then add the onion and cook, stirring occasionally until soft and lightly browned, which takes about 4 minutes. Next, we add the 2 minced garlic cloves, fresh thyme, salt, and pepper. After about 30 or so seconds, it should be fragrant, at which point it's time to add chicken stock, heavy cream, and bay leaves, and then stir or whisk to combine. Once uniform, add your sliced potatoes. Bring the liquid to a simmer and then cover the pot. Reduce the heat to medium-low and cook simmering until the potatoes are almost tender. If your potatoes are on the thick side, which we like more, it should take about 12 minutes. You can test the doneness by poking a knife into a slice. Fish out the bay leaves and transfer your mixture to a casserole dish or 8-inch square baking dish and press to level it out. Then scatter the shredded cheese evenly over the top. Pop it in the oven for 15 minutes until you see golden edges and bubbling. Take it out of the oven and let it cool for no less than 10 minutes. That's only 15 minutes of cooking, and if you're low on oven space and you're worried about timing, you can easily do this right after you take the turkey out of the oven. Like I said, the cheese really makes a difference here, and so do the potatoes. This easy and subtle change in ingredients will have your guests telling you how delicious it is. The cheese is a little chewier and gooier, and the potatoes are less crumbly. Anyone really can make this recipe, and everyone should make whatever substitutions they see fit. Use any potato you prefer, and the cheese is up to your taste. Just like many things, you have to try and not get locked into thinking you have to follow a recipe to the letter, and you'll always be happy you followed your instincts. Hopefully you try this out, and may your holidays be amazing this year. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, great minds eat alike.
Happy holidays.